Hey guys, welcome to $0 Tips. Today I'm excited to share my experience of buying a phone from Cashify. I have been seeing a lot of ads and reviews about them, so I decided to give it a try. Let's dive into the whole process from ordering to unboxing. Okay. First thing first, the ordering process on Cashify was pretty straightforward. I easily found the phone I wanted to buy, checked its condition, and then placed my order. The Cashify website was quite user friendly and payment options were convenient as well. After placing the order, the phone arrived right on time, almost within 4 days, which was quite impressive. The packaging was secure and the delivery guy was very professional. Okay, so now let's get to the exciting part, unboxing. As you can see, the phone looks great. It is in excellent condition, just as described on the website. All the accessories are here and everything seems to be working perfectly. I have been using the phone for 3 days now and I am really impressed. The performance is smooth, the camera quality is good and the battery life is decent. Overall, I am happy with the purchase. So if you ask me, was buying a phone from Cashify worth it? In my opinion, yes. The whole process from ordering to unboxing was hassle-free. The phone is in great condition and it's working perfectly. If you are considering buying a refurbished phone, I would definitely recommend giving Cashify a try. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content.